Well, Frankie, this is the Pop.
Frankie, this is the Pop.
He would have been 95 years old today.
Remember when he talked about Michael Corleone said this and Michael Corleone said that?
Yeah, man, I thought he always said that Michael Corleone did that and Michael Corleone did that.
Whatever. I don't know, I don't remember.
Either way, he was a good guy. He was a great father.
Frankie, look, there's Tom. Say hi. Hi, Tom.
Hi, Tom.
Hi, Tom.
So, I just moved out of the house. You know where I live now?
What? Are you living near Hyman Roth?
No, I'm living in an army barrack up the road. It's all lies. All of it.
You manja con Hyman Roth?
No manja con Hyman Roth. No manja Miami. No manja anywhere.
Where's Cheech?
Cheech. He's by La Porte.
Cheech. La Porte.
You know, Frankie.
This is good wine.
We're up here drinking wine cocktails, and you asked me over your house, and you showed me no respect.
You know, all you talk about is respect. You want respect over here, you want respect over here. Well, I told them whatever they want to hear.
Frankie, with all due respect, Dad always loved Hyman Roth. Dad always
Frankie,
friends with Hyman Roth, but he never respected Hyman Roth.
Didn't they move molasses?
Oh, yeah, I remember. That was back when he had the olive oil business.
Hey, should we get some music on out here?
What kind of music do you like?
A tarantella or something?
I don't feel like dancing. I just